Humran states that Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu, after performing the ablution, said, "If there had not been a verse of the Quran, I would not have narrated to you a hadith heard from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whosoever performs the ablution well, then performs the prayer after it, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu pardons his all those minor sins which he has committed between this prayer and the prayer next to it." Urwa narrates that the words pointed out by Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu is this translation: "Undoubtedly those who conceal what we have sent down of clear signs and guidance after that we have made it clear in the book for the people. On them there is the curse of Allah and the curse of those who curse." Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 159. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 541.